Hello my loves, evidently I'm having a hot flush, but as you can see I'm just editing the vlog over there. It's still taking me about 3 or 4 hours per 18-minute video. I'm not very quick at these things, but anyway, I just realised I haven't got an intro or an ending, so I'm going to do them now so that I can pop it on, so that I can load it up overnight, because it takes hours to load up, partly because my computer's so low, partly because my upload speed is rubbish, and partly because I probably don't really know what I'm doing. And then you'll be able to catch it tomorrow. So I'll see you in a bit. I'm going to put this on there now. Morning chums, it's Thursday and I'm here with my daughter Jessie from Kits & Co, and we've received a package containing our enamel pins, so we've had to meet in a socially distanced space so that we can unpack them rather than do it obviously indoors. So let's get into it, shall we? Look at your flippin' cat, it's so cute. This is so exciting.
Those colours are so nice,
aren't they? Let's unpack them and have a look.
Your cups are really
Okay, let's have a look. Oh man, that's insanely cute. Look at these beauties. Oh, here's a little kitty cat. Do you remember talking about that on the other vlog? Oh, I can't wait to unpack them all. We should have really... Can I show them some of yours?
Yeah.
Look, it's so cute. It's so cute. That's got glitter in it, that one. Same as the Shine one's got glitter in. So here's all these candy canes. They are adorable. And this is Jessie's like signature thing, really. So she's got washi tape and stickers to match this little Christmas truck. He's so cute. Yeah, I don't know when the washi tape's going to come. We're still waiting to hear about that. How insanely cute is that? Okay, so Jessie's been really organised and she's actually made some of her backing cards for the pins already, so I'm just going to show you some of those. That's ridiculously cute. I love it so much. We're in Poundbury, darlings. It's the posh part of Dorchester, which is where we live, thankfully. And actually, all 3 of my daughters are now going to live in Poundbury, which is the bee's knees. It's very exciting for me to be able to be close to them and to be close to my grandbabies. Got the next one? Hang on. It's so exciting. There's a guy putting a tree in who probably thinks we're completely bonkers. Oh, he's putting 2 trees in. Silver birches. I mean, you can't go wrong, mates.
tree farm. Look, so cute.
Oh man, they're insanely cute. Oh, they're so nice. So nice. Jess gets these printed at Solo Press, I think, is it?
Yeah, great quality.
And they do the rounded corners already. Really, really nice. Okay, I'm going to get some of mine out so we can have a close look. It's a little bitty cup. Look at the colours on that. I'm so pleased. Jess and I took ages picking out our Pantone colours to make sure they all matched it to be exactly like our illustrations were, and it's absolutely perfect.
So cute.
Oh my god. Ready? Go. Okay. That's even nicer than I imagined. I wasn't sure about having the glitter on both parts, but I think it's lush. Lush.
So cute.
It's nice, isn't it? Get out. So, I think we can ask for these just to be wrapped in paper. We'll have to ask for that next time. I know that might be a bit tricky for them, but it's important, isn't it? Oh, look at her little bits of hair popping up. Oh, so cute. Oh, she's so cute. Hello, little friend. Oh, that's insanely cute. I am so pleased with my little pins. Where did I put the other one? Aren't they lovely? Absolutely adorable. So I'm just taking 2 minutes to sit outside while it's really lovely. Today I'm going to be making the backing cards for the pins. I need to design them. I have already done the one for the Shine badge, but I need to do the other 2. And I need to tidy up the studio. It's gone a bit crazy because orders are stepping up. Thank you so much to everyone that's ordered. I really appreciate it. It's just the bee's knees. being able to do the job I love and to send out positive vibes out into the world is just amazing. Oh, and tonight we're going to have a fire. It's the first fire we've had since we've lived here, and I'm excited about that. I used to have regular fires in a kind of, for a kind of spiritual cleansing kind of stillness vibe, but I don't know if we're allowed to have them here. I don't know if there's kind of rules in this area, I don't know. But seeing as it's bonfire night, Guy Fawkes, I'm going to just go for it. We've got a load of paperwork that needs like burning up and getting rid of, and you know, I might do some other intention setting stuff or letting go, release type stuff. Anyway, catch up in a bit, I bet, girl. I've just printed out these templates that I've made for larger boxes so that I've got some little bit of storage for my pins. So they've all got little homes to sit in on my little shelf, rather than use plastic. It's such a nuisance they've all come in plastic, isn't it? That is really annoying. But anyway. So I'm just going to score on all the dotted lines. This template is available free to subscribers on the website. It's just handy to be able to whip up a little box every now and again when you fancy it. I mean, stop. How adorable is that? So I'm thinking for the pin, something like when nothing but a cup full of rainbow love will help, or when you need a cup full of rainbow love, or something like that. What do you think? I'll probably have these made and listed by the time this vlog goes live and anybody comes back with suggestions. And then here's the little kitty cat. It's not very clear. Let me just try and pick it up in the light. Oh no! Looks like I'm keeping that one low. There she is. What do you think, guys? Adorbs. We've got the plastic bags because just what they are. It is biodegradable plastic, recyclable. But just check that out for us. She thought they'd be lighter to wear than the metal ones. So there they are. There's my little guys. Oh, they're just not coming out so cute on the camera as they are in real life. This one's full of sparkle. Sparkle, sparkle. Shine, shine. I'm really happy with them. They've taken ages to come because of COVID and the limited flights. So I'm thinking I probably won't get any more for ages. Look at this sunshine while we're at it. Hey, look at my dirty windows. Ignore that. Oh, see, now I just want to get a cuppa and go and sit outside. Oops, I think that's going to happen. I get so excited when someone orders these because I love, love, love printing them. The print quality is so beautiful. It's almost like velvet on the surface. But obviously they're quite expensive to print, so I don't just print them willy-nilly, I print them on demand. And I just love them. I just love looking at it. I've got the pears one coming through in a minute. Hello, my beauty. Are you coming? Oh my god, don't look at all the dust. You're coming out soon. Isn't it lush? And here's the pears one. Oh, they're so lush, lush, lush. Oh, I love them. Oh, they're so beautiful, aren't they? Even if I say so myself. Hello, Mr. Fire. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Hello my lovelies, look at my crazy hair. So it's the morning after the night before from bonfire night, and a quaking, terrified dog. It's just awful. I don't understand why it's not just in public places and blah blah. I mean, what the friggin' heck are we celebrating anyway? Who cares about that? I don't understand. Anyway, it's just noisy, and you can get actually soundless fireworks now. Why aren't we using those? Because it's just the lights that are pretty, aren't they? We all like the light, don't we? And we know why that is. Another episode maybe. Anyway, it's a mama on toast kind of day. And I've got a bit of an aftermath of mess. And actually, this is just in here. There's stacks of it. I've got stuff in the kitchen. I've got stuff in the living room. On two surfaces in the living room. Because the orders have stepped up. As I said, I'm really, really grateful. It's really wonderful. But I need to get my backside in gear and get a bit more organised. And get just a smoother operational kind of thing. Anyway, I'm going to go because my toast is going to get cold, and I love hot toast, so speak to you in a bit. So first things first. Okay, lovely, I've done my cards. So I'm thinking I need to run the corners on that one, and that'll be sorted. I'm sorry about the wonky light. Here's the one for the kitty. I've made the little flowers the same. And then here's the crazy one for the rainbow cup. Oh, stop it. Is it wrong to be too in love with your own stuff? Something you made, and it's really not very British, darling, but I love it. Well, as you can see, the desk is still a crazy, crazy mess. That's the way it is at the minute. I've just been so busy doing things on the computer, designing stuff, admin, emails, listing stuff. I had a sympathy card I'd totally forgotten to list, and I just edited up a couple of photographs because I've still got some listings that I've got old photos, like from a year ago, and then just not current enough. Yes, nice little rounded corners. I don't know, should we try one? I wasn't going to do it on these ones because it's a tricky thing. I haven't got one of those fancy corner cutting gizmos. Oh, but stop. It does look so good, doesn't it? Oh, I think I might have to get the old corner cut wrap for all of them. Let's try this one. Here goes my Saturday night. I'm saying Saturday because tonight, oh yeah, sweet. And I'm still nursing a little anxious dog from the blooming fireworks. I wish they'd just stop them all. I know I've said it loads already, but your orders have kept me so busy this week. Thank you so much. Good morning, my loves. Today is photographing and listing days for the pins. I've got them here ready. I made all the little backing cards yesterday. I'm going to show you in just a second. I think they're really beautiful. Let's have a look. Okay, so you're ready. Here's the shine pin. Cute. Here's the little kitty. I echoed the flowers that are already in the cup. Just how cute! I mean, hello. So I'm going to photograph them in a minute and then get them listed. Whoop whoop. So I'm just popping washi tape there to give that some height. My little star, all set. So I edit my photos in Lightroom and then I add my logo in Photoshop. And this is how some of the finished photographs look that I use for my listings. So what did you think of that then? It was mostly about the pins, granted, but pins and orders and the election and one of my daughter's moving houses was the kind of focus of my brain this week. Maybe if you keep an eye on my Instagram stories, stuff like that, you'll see what's going to be coming up in next week's vlog. Take care, my lovelies. Have a wonderful week. P.S. Hooray for bye.